Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how I created this makeup look that's perfect for a date night or a night out with your girlfriends. And this eye is very neutral, so it pairs perfectly with any color lip. So the primer I used is a glowing one, so that way your skin looks very radiant and youthful. And then the foundation I'm using here is a full coverage one, so you look picture perfect all night long. And then I'm just tapping it in with my beauty blender for that flawless finish. Then I'm going to cover my dark circles with a concealer stick and then highlight a few areas. And I love this stick because it's super lightweight. You cannot see it at all, so I will link all of the products I'm using here down below for you guys. And then you can see that my concealer palette actually melted together, but it's all good, you can still use it. So I'm just using the dark colors to contour my face. If you are new to contouring, just play around with it. Everyone has different features, so you go into contour in different ways, but basically it's going to bring out your best features, make your bone structure very metalesque, and make you look great in pictures. So as you can see here, I'm also contouring not just my face, but also down my neck, my décolleté area, and my breasts. So if you guys want to see a separate video, I have one for how to make your boobs look bigger with contour, but if you want to see one for the entire body, I can definitely do that, so just let me know down below in the comments. And then you definitely want to set all of the creams with a powder, so that way they stay put all night long. And I do have a discount code for some of the brushes that I'm using, so I will list all of that for you guys down below. And now I'm using my favorite powder contour kit to go over all of my cream contour that I did earlier. So the day I filmed this video at IPSY Studios, I also filmed a Q&A for Valentine's Day with my friend Shay. So I will link that down below for you guys. It's pretty interesting, pretty funny. Some stories about best and worst dates. So definitely check it out and leave me some of your stories down below in the comments as well. So after priming my eyes, I'm going to take my favorite highlighter and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones, down my nose bridge, and also as you can see, you can highlight your collarbones and your shoulders and also your boobs for that sexy glowy highlight, especially if you're wearing a low cut outfit. And then I'm also going to use this as a highlight on my eyes. Then for my nose, I like to do a little exclamation point, so I do a long line down the bridge of my nose and then put a little dot on the very tip. Then I'm just filling in my brows using a pomade, and like I said, I will link all of the products that I'm using down below in the info box for you guys. And let me know what you guys use on your eyebrows down below in the comments. I'm just curious because I used to be a pencil girl all the way until I tried a pomade, and now I'm just addicted to it. And I also set it with a brow gel, but I want to know what you guys use on your eyebrows and some of your favorite products. For eyeshadows, I'm using this new palette here, and taking this neutral shade, I'm going to use this as a wash of color all over the lid. And this is just going to make blending all of the other colors a lot easier. And I love how cute these new Mythic brushes are, and they come with a little case. So I will link those for you guys down below, and I do have a discount code, so make sure to check it out. And then I'm just darkening up my crease with these warm browns, and then I'm going to put the black in my outer corner. And then I'm using my favorite blending brush from Time Los Angeles. This brush is amazing and blends everything so seamlessly. Now, I really wanted to do a sexy cat eye. Of course, you're going on a date, so I want it to be extra. So I'm using my favorite matte eyeliner, and then I'm going to just clean up the edges with a concealer. And a lot of people ask me both online and in real life how I do my eyeliner so precisely. And honestly, it's just practice, practice, practice. But the way I do it is I start off in the middle, I draw the base, and then once I'm done with that, I do the wing, I connect it, fill it in, and then I just clean up the edges. Also, what I like to do if I'm not wearing falsies, which I do recommend them for a date night, but I have my extensions on, so I'm not going to bother. So basically, I take a matte brown eyeshadow and I pat it on the base of my lashes because I hate the white fallout from my eyeshadow on top of my lashes. It just contrasts with the black eyeliner when you look down. I've seen it on other girls and it just bothers me. I hate it, so I like to do this. And I also like to look down into a mirror when I'm doing it, so that way you don't have any fallout underneath your eyes. Then I just apply mascara to top and bottom lashes and set everything with a setting spray. This one smells really good and it's also really light because I hate sprays that just come out super hard like you've just been sprayed down with a hose. But no thank you, so this one is amazing. And for my lips, I chose this red from MAC. This is actually the 150 Canada limited edition one and I love this red. It's so perfect. I got it when I was at Gym Beauty Toronto last year and I'm really excited for Gym Beauty LA next month, so let me know in the comments if you guys are going. I'm super excited and I would love to meet you guys, so let me know if you guys are going to any Gym Beauties this year. Doesn't matter the city. I love traveling to all of them, so thanks to IPSY for making that possible. And also I was filming this video there at their studio, so that was really fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an amazing Valentine's Day. Doesn't matter if you're single, in a relationship, married, anything. Love yourself, be kind to others. Have an amazing day and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!